Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these lovely heart head pins. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these lovely heart head pins, okay? So what you're going to need is some wire. Today I am using my 0.5 millimeter aluminum welding wire. Now I go to my hardware store to get this, and I get this whole great big spool for like $20. So I love it, and I really like working with it, and that's what we're using today. So I have cut some 4-inch lengths. You're also going to need your round nose pliers. You're going to need your snips, and you're going to need your flat nose pliers. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need a 4-inch piece of wire, okay? With your round nose pliers, we're going to go to the very tip of the wire and the very tip of the pliers, and we're going to start by making this circle, okay? Then we are going to take our flat nose. Okay, now you see, sorry my nails are so horrible. I'll do them later. So you see how this little part of the ending part is against the wire? We want to wrap that around until it's facing us again, okay? So I'm going to hold it, and I'm just going to move it with my thumb until it's back facing us. Okay, see how it's facing us again? Okay, that's where we want to go. Now with your flat nose pliers, you're going to put it right to the end of that spiral you made, okay? And you're going to go about halfway up the pliers, okay? Now you're going to make the wire go all the way up, flush against the, and this will keep it so it's consistent, because you consistently know it's just halfway up your flat nose pliers, okay? Taking your round nose, we are going to try and get it so that we're on the same dimension as we would be for our spiral, okay? So we want the same, I don't know, circumference, radius, I don't know. So we're going to bend that around, and we're going to put it behind the front of our spiral, okay? So about right there. I probably went a little big, but that's okay. These don't have to be perfect. They're handmade. Now taking the back piece you just bent there, we're going to put it, see where your hole is? I'm going to pull mine out a bit. So you see where the hole is? You want to grab right about there on this wire we're working with. And we're going to curve that wire back around, okay? So we're like this. And you want it on the back side of the loop we made. Okay? So you want it down around, see how we kind of have a point there? We want it there. So now you're going to take your round nose, and you're going to grab just a little bit towards the spiral. Sorry, see here how they have the spiral? You're just grabbing it a little bit more towards there. And then you put that up. And look, guys, there is your heart head pin. You want this back loop here to be kind of in line with your spiral. Okay. Maintaining a straight, there we go. There you go. So see, I want it kind of behind the other wires so you don't see it. And there you go, guys. That's how you make this adorable heart headpin. So check the description. I put all kinds of goodies in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And yeah, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye now.